Hey, what's up guys, Danton here, and today we're looking at the revising the select query 2 problem at HackerRank. This problem is pretty similar to revising the select query 1, so if you haven't seen that video, the link will be in the description. The problem is asking us to query the name field for all American cities in the city table with populations larger than 120,000. It tells us that the country code for America is USA, and it gives us the city table. So as we've seen previously, in order to query some information, to get some information, we're going to use the select keyword. Select, and previously, we selected every single column from the table, so we use an asterisk. This time, we want a specific column, so we're going to use the column name, in this case, name. So we want to select name from this table right here, from city, and if we ran this code, we of course get wrong answer, but we get all of the names from all of the cities in the city table. But instead of all of the names, we want to filter some information. So in order to filter, we're going to use the where keyword. So where population is larger than 120,000. And also, we want all the cities to be American cities. So we're going to use the and keyword to append another filter. Country code is equal to USA, and we use single quotation marks to indicate that this here is a string, not an attribute. And if we were to run this code right here, we get a successful output. You can see we only have 4 names right here, which is the expected outcome, which are all of the American cities with populations larger than 120,000. I hope you found this useful. If so, leave a like down below, subscribe for more SQL and programming tutorials, and let me know in the comments if there's any HackerRank or LeetCode problem you want me to solve.